So recently I've had a few people ask me about mouse bungees, which ones I recommend, if I recommend them at all, and instead I'm going to show you guys a little secret using one of these. What's up everyone, Dimitri of the Cat Gaming channel, and today we're going to go over how to use a cable managing tool as a budget makeshift mouse bungee. So this is actually really simple to implement. All you do is you attach one of these adhesive cable managing clips to either the back of your monitor arm, or your stand or what have you. You can see where I have it located here. It's actually on the bottom of my triple monitor arm mount. Just stick it to the bottom. You run your cable through. Don't tighten it right away. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your mouse and you're going to want to move it all the way, the furthest down your mouse pad away from the monitors as possible. And then you're going to do is you're going to kind of make sure that the cable is taut at that point where it's furthest away from your monitor, and then you're going to tighten it down so that when you pull your mouse back, it is able to reach the end of the mouse pad, the bottom of the mouse pad, without having any kind of resistance. But it has the least amount of slack as well. And that's really it. It's super simple. I've been doing this for a really long time. Before I had it stuck to the bottom of my monitor arm, it was stuck to the back of my monitor, and it just really helps with things getting caught and my mouse, adding extra weight. And depending on your mouse, it'll be easier than others. My mouse has a very lightweight cable on it, so it doesn't really, snag on anything or get caught. And I thought you guys would find it helpful. And if you did find it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. I'm trying to do these Minute Mondays every once in a while, so whenever I think of something, I'm trying to put one of these forward. And I'll see you guys next time.